Schneider Electric, your global specialist in energy management. We offer integrated solutions across multiple market segments, including leadership positions in utilities and infrastructure, industries and machine manufacturers, non-residential buildings, data centers and networks, and residential. Focused on making energy safe, reliable, efficient, productive, and green, more than 170,000 employees help individuals and organizations make the most of their energy. With rising demand comes increased pressure on performance. Medium voltage equipment is a critical component. Whatever the situation, you need the best, most cost-effective solution to provide ease of use and a trouble-free service life for both operator and equipment. Our goal is to meet your reliability and efficiency expectations. GHA, one of the medium voltage solutions in Schneider Electric's diverse portfolio, offers inherent features such as simplicity, intuitiveness, and high reliability, tried and tested even under harsh environmental conditions. Compliant with vibration and seismic tests, its robustness is proven, even under extreme conditions. GHA reached the highest USA Uniform Building Code category, Level 4, Extreme, and the so-called demolishing Richter scale magnitude of over 8. More efficient in the new smart grid, GHA is a trend-setting gas-insulated switchboard up to 40.5 kV. Utilities, industries such as oil and gas, mining and metallurgy, trackside stations for railway, wind farms in harsh environments, and high-altitude applications all benefit from a reliable medium-voltage GHA. Today, over 20,000 GHA switchgear panels are in operation in more than 60 countries. GHA is indoor, metal-enclosed gas-insulated switchgear with vacuum circuit breaker technology for primary distribution, available as a single or double busbar solution. The metal enclosure and metallic compartments, separating the circuit breaker and three-position switch from the main busbar, ensure high availability. GHA is designed for 1 to 3 phase applications up to 40.5 kV, with busbar and feeder currents of up to 2,500 amps and rated short-time current up to 40 kiloamps for a duration of 3 seconds. Compact and naturally cooled, the incomer for up to 2,500 amps is 900 mm wide and typically 600 mm for feeder applications. A clear, innovative feature of GHA is the busbar connection known as B-Link. The busbar disconnection, demonstrated here, shows just how simple and flexible this connection is. B-Link makes it easy and safe to install and extend switchgear quickly, without any SF6 gas handling on site. This feature complies with Schneider Electric's green policy. With GHA, just connect and go live. Successful type testing for internal arc classification AFL or AFLR up to 40 kiloamps short circuit current for a duration of 1 second ensures a high level of operator safety. Schneider Electric gas-insulated switchgear is designed to prevent failures. All high-voltage parts are protected against environmental influences in a stainless steel tank, making them maintenance-free for an operational life of more than 30 years. In compliance with IEC 62271-1, the GHA tank is a sealed pressure system, leakage tested for a leakage rate of less than 0.1% per year. For accessibility without gas handling, components like the drive mechanism and instrument transformers are consistently located outside the tank enclosure. Teamwork and highly skilled employees are the driving force behind continuous product improvement, focusing on every detail. Of course, state-of-the-art production lines ensure reliable quality in our facilities, but every measure is taken to make sure that this quality is reproducible at our customers' installations. Controlled material flows with quality check of incoming goods are key. Employees in the line work in independent teams, each with a high level of ownership and responsibility for the quality of the end product. GHA assembly lines are organized to handle each customer order individually. Every customer is unique, and consequently, high industrial and certified processes are managed for each and every order. Each team has the same goal for every order, to meet expectations reliably. Routine tests are carried out under fully controlled environmental conditions in all Schneider Electric facilities producing GHA switchgear, and recorded automatically as an integral part of the production process. The first routine test before closing the tank is the mechanical operation test of the circuit breaker mechanism for close and trip speed, closing and opening times, and synchronicity of phases for related switching cycles. After closing the gas tank for its operational life, the tank is leakage tested and filled with SF6 gas in the factory. All methods throughout the process are controlled automatically, with the advantage of no O-ring assembly on site. The leakage test is carried out using helium gas to secure tightness safety and fulfill the IEC standard leakage rate requirements for sealed pressure systems. The next important routine tests are the power frequency voltage test and the partial discharge test. For GHA, these are performed with a fully assembled busbar link in the factory. The signature of an expert confirms that every routine test has been carried out successfully. The low-voltage control cabinet is now installed in the medium-voltage panel, before being moved to the routine test area for all auxiliary electrical devices. The last routine checks are performed in the plant finishing area to ensure that all components are complete and will function correctly when your GHA is installed. The panels are finally moved to the dispatch area, where they are prepared for their journey. The utmost care is taken when packing and preparing for shipping, regardless of whether equipment is transported by land, sea, or air. The intuitive operator guidance on the mechanical front face is a brand mark of Schneider Electric GIS. All operation and indication elements are clearly positioned in a mimic diagram. Mechanical interrogation interlocks guide the operator to avoid incorrect operation. Safety of maintenance personnel is ensured by only allowing access to the cable compartment when the outgoing circuit is earthed. Both inner cone and outer cone cable connections are available. Outer cone cable connection is recommended and offers numerous benefits, including comfortable front access for easy and safe cable installation, flexibility in terms of the number of cable connections, access to current transformers, more economical plug-in cable connectors. Plus, no extra bushing is necessary for cable testing, since cables can be tested at the plugs. For high-voltage cable testing or primary injection purposes, an existing voltage transformer can be disconnected and earthed.
GHA is a trend-setting medium-voltage switchgear for high performance up to 40.5 kV. With great field experience, there are more than 20,000 cubicles in operation in more than 60 countries. And not to forget, simple and easy to connect, the bus bar and as well the cable compartment. At all, you get factory assembled switchgear, routine tested, ready to connect on your site.
With the GHA medium voltage switchboard, Schneider Electric brings you peace of mind. Simple and ready to connect, intuitive to operate, designed and manufactured to prevent failures, delivered fully assembled with controlled reliability, this gas-insulated switchboard up to 40.5 kV GHA is the trend-setting, cost-effective solution you need.